Today I want to show you how to rank #1 with Kimi K3 that just dropped. And this is like a really, really powerful model. I would genuinely say it's right up there in terms of Fable 5 and GPT 5.6 frontier level technology. And today what we're going to do is we're going to use this for AI SEO using my Agent OS system. I'm going to show you exactly how you can get the most out of this powerful AI that is also pretty cheap. I mean, especially compared to Claude and that sort of thing. So Kimi K3 is now the engine behind our whole Agent OS SEO section. So we have a Agent OS over here, and we can actually research keywords. Then we can use Kimi K3 to generate the content and deploy it to our website as well. I'll come back to that in a second. So the way that I'm looking at this SEO brain that we're building is basically we can use Search Console to find new keywords. Then we can use our agent operating system to research keywords. From there, we can use Kimi K3 to actually create the content. And from there, we can actually deliver the content to our website. I also found that Kimi K3 is very good at creating websites. Let me show you an example of that. So this is a website that we generated using Kimi K3. We called it the Agent Desk. And literally all we did was say like build a whole SEO blog website about AI agents, and it created the whole website. It doesn't look like your traditional sort of AI generated website. It's very in depth, looks super nice. The way it's formatted is super nice as well. And this is like basically a multi-blog website from one single prompt that Kimi K3 fully designed and created using this powerful system. So it's really, really cool. Now, let's have a look at what the problem is and how Kimi K3 fixes that. So one of the biggest issues with SEO content is that everything's getting very fragmented, right? So for example, you might have Ahrefs somewhere, then you've got, for example, Kimi K3 or whichever tool you prefer to use. Then you have your websites hosted on WordPress, and it's all like kind of duct taped together, and you have to click buttons and manage a team of VAs to log in for you. What we have here is one full system where everything is linked together, and it's really easy to just see what potential keywords we can rank for. So what I like to do is look at keywords with no clicks but high impressions that we need to create a new page for based on what we're not ranking for currently. So for example, if we have a look at this and we have a look at this keyword, best harness for DeepSeek, we don't have a page on our website, so that would be really good to create content around. So what we can do here is we can click on use topic, and this will actually take us to start generating the content. So we can now plug in the target keyword, plug in the case study that is related to that topic, and then we can just hit generate 5 articles, and that will actually generate 5 articles on our website using this system. Now, what I also like to use Kimi K3 for is generating full websites or landing pages using the Agent OS and the CLI, right? So if you've ever come across Kimi K3 before, you can basically get it on a coding plan. It's pretty cheap, it's easy to use. And then you can have it inside the CLI, which is what we have over here, and we can chat back and forth with it, right? So for example, here we can switch over and we can say, okay, create a blog site for my website about blah, blah, blah. And it's pretty easy to use for SEO there. But also what we have inside this section is everything that we've created. So if we go inside here, you can see that we generated a full landing page, a full website. Here's another website that we created using the system. And the design of it is pretty nice. It looks totally different from your normal AI website, which is what we want to see, right? We don't want our AI website to look like every other AI website out there. Now, the keyword opportunity report is really good because basically we can analyze our Search Console data, and then from there we can find out, okay, what are the best potential keywords to go for? And we actually got Kimi K3 to analyze all of the data that we got back from Google Search Console and then plug it into a beautiful report like you see here. So actually analyze, for example, our impressions, the number of clicks we got, the queries, how many opportunities we have for keywords. And you could do this for your own websites, you could do this for clients, but the main point here is it's very good at analyzing. It's very good at looking at all of the opportunities across your website and then also helping you create the content. It also ranked the top 10 opportunities for keywords for AI SEO based on what we don't have content for already. So I think out of all of these, this could be a great one, this one as well. These are all good keywords that you potentially rank for. And then it actually sorts them, creates a beautiful report, as you can see here. And the next step is, of course, creating the website. Now, what we actually did from here is we took 2 real content gaps from the data we surfaced earlier, queries where I get impressions but have no dedicated page, and told K3, build the site that closes that content gap. And in one single prompt, it returned a complete multi-page blog post with FAQ blogs, internal links, working navigation, and you can see the website here. It looks super nice. Even like the design and everything else looks really smart. It's designed beautifully, doesn't feel like an AI generated website. It also has internal links to our other blog posts, and it's created a full website, as you can see right here. And also what's crazy about this is hosted on one of our domains. So Agent OS Guide is actually one of our websites that we create SEO content for, and it built out a subdomain on that website where you can see all of this page here, just as a little demo really. The content itself is super long, but it's also like, it reads pretty nicely as well. So I noticed that Kimi K3 is way better at actually writing. If you went back a couple of generations ago to Kimi K2.7 or Kimi K2.6, not very good. But if you look at this content itself, it is very factual, but it looks so nice, right? Like the title answers the question, the content itself is beautifully formatted. It's even like added italics for some of the most important parts of the pages. It's added a beautiful table of contents here, and then it's generated the guide. I would be pretty confident if I published that on one of my main websites, it would rank pretty quickly. It's even, for example, added the links at the top so that we've got internal links straight to the pages that we want to generate content for. So that was method number one. And just to be clear here, so it's great at analyzing keyword data, giving us reports, analyzing where we can rank. It's great at actually building out the website itself and creating the content. And then also it's very good at like full sites audits, right? Because it's a 1,000,000 token context window. It can like fetch real pages on your website, analyze them, give you an SEO audit, as you can see right here. And then from there, we've got the full site brain. So we can create and build the full website using Kimi K3. We can do all the keyword research in the topical map using Kimi K3. And then finally, we have the full system for the audit itself. Really, really powerful stuff. So what I've also noticed, you might be wondering, okay, like, you know, for example, should you be using Kimi K3 for SEO or Fable 5 or GPT 5.6? For me, I have them all combined inside one Agent OS system. We also have something called the SEO Office. This is an open source project where we have a virtual office with loads of different agents working together, as you can see, and then we can actually plug them in. Now, these are all different agents that we can use for different tasks. So for example, we have a strategy agent over here, we have the keyword agent over there, we have a GEO specialist, and they all work inside a visual office, as you can see, and this is all visualized inside one beautiful format so that we can basically orchestrate all of our agents in one place too. And you could operate that with Kimi as well. Now, this actually feeds into the second brain, which has loads of playbooks for SEO. So what I really like about this system is that we've got all these different playbooks that are ready to go, like entities hubs, the orchestrator flows. We have Claude SEO as a source as well. We've got, for example, stuff like brand strategy and EEAT playbooks, all inside one beautiful system where we can orchestrate our agents from the office. That is it's called SEO Office on GitHub. Really cool idea as well. And that's something fun that you can build into your Agent OS. Something else that you could get Kimi K3 to handle is Open SEO. Open SEO is a rank tracker. So this is another open source project. You can build it into your agent operating system, or you can just get mine from the AI Profit Boardroom. And then with Open SEO, you can use that to track your rankings inside AI and also inside the SERPs as well, which is pretty cool. And then you can deploy the content automatically, as we did a second ago, using that new keyword that we found. Pretty simple and easy. So we have, for example, the page for the keyword here, best harness for DeepSeek, and then we can deploy the pages later for that particular keyword. So pretty powerful. The other thing that I would say is like video is very, very good for SEO, for ranking on Google. And we have a full video agent here where you can create beautiful videos in like one single click, custom tailored to your keyword as well. So if you want to get this full system, you can get it inside the AI Profit Boardroom. Link in the comments description, or just go to the AIProfitBoardroom.com. If you want to get the Agent OS, you can get it inside this section. And we have a full setup for the Agent OS where you can get the zip file. We just updated it today actually with Kimi K3 that just dropped less than 24 hours ago. And then over here, we actually have a full section on AI SEO automation. You can ask questions inside the community. There's lots of SEOs ready to help. And I personally answer all the questions inside the community with a tutorial every day. And then inside the calendar, you can jump on weekly coaching calls, get help and support in real time. So feel free to get that. Link in the comments description, or go to the AIProfitBoardroom.com. And also, if you want a free SEO strategy session where we look at your website one-to-one, we show you how to rank, we analyze your rankings, and you'll discover the secrets to SEO link building. Plus, you can ask our SEO experts any questions on the call. you can book that in at goldie.agency, link in the comments description. We'll show you how we take websites from 0 to thousands of traffic and also generate more leads from Google using systems like this. So hope to see you on site there. Cheers for watching. Bye-bye.